2003 Audi A6 Quattro with the 3-liter V6, naturally aspirated, of course. This far back, this old. I don't believe supercharging or turbocharging came until about 2010 or 9 or something like that. But I thought we'd take this thing on the interstate. I've never even been in this car on the interstate. And I was right here real close to it. And I thought, what the heck? I was getting my grandmother some gas, and I thought, let's go try a little interstate run. I hadn't even had it out there. So anyway, if you want to know a little bit about this car, I've done 2 or 3 videos on it. It's my grandma's car. She's had it for several years. Before her, it was my uncle's. He bought it certified pre-owned when it was just like 1 or 2 years old. So it's been in our family for a long time. It's an 03 with 139,000 miles. And yes, it does have some warning lights and what have you, but they have all been checked, and it's all sensor related. So the car runs fine. It runs, it literally runs perfect. To be a 03 Audi with almost 140,000 miles and 5-speed automatic that just shifts like new. So yeah, let's go for a little ride. Oh, be quiet. Oh, shut up. Okay, so we were doing about 80 to 85, but I don't know if it felt like it to you guys, but it felt a little bit more like 133 to 136 miles per hour. I mean, what the hell? I mean, everybody was either going really slow or the speedometer is way freaking off on this car, because I felt like I was freaking flying. I mean, yeah, say the 85's quick, but here in Georgia on the interstate, everybody drives 80 and 85. That's the new normal. God, but that felt like we were hauling ass. Okay, let's see if we can get out here. Get back on and just run right back up. Run right back up where we came from. Let's turn that down. A little warm. No peas, 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 and no peas. No pee. This car is actually very, very smooth. It's riding on a new set of Bridgestone Ecopias. So the ride is just velvety smooth. And of course, there's no vibration. I am getting a little bit of wind noise up there at that pillar. But that's, I think that's probably a fault in the seal. It sounds a little louder than what would be normal. Probably a good thing I took this thing out here and blew the soot out. This car doesn't get driven above about 45 or 50 miles an hour. My grandmother drives this thing to the grocery store and the bridge. Go play bridge, and that's it. I mean, I don't know if it's been on the interstate in the past 5 or 6 years. So it needed this. Here we go. Let's just a little. Wah. Yeah, buddy. Let's get it. Blow the soot out. About 3,500 RPMs at 85, 90 miles an hour. So the engine likes to spin. Alright, here's our exit. Alright, well, I'll just make that brief. Hope y'all enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, or a thumbs down if you didn't. And I appreciate you watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time on Joe's Golden Garage.